Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to a channel, where we talked about various hot products in the market based on our own research, and this video we are going to show you another interesting product in the market. You may be interested in. Here are some previews of the product. If you want to know more about the product price specifications for maybe discounts with link in the description below. The store usually gives special offers for a limited time. Please read carefully the product details and specifications. Link if you want to buy the product, please click link in the description below. Don't forget to like her video and subscribe to our channel, because you regularly update our channel with another hot products in the market.